Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Sure, I can provide you with a basic tutorial on how to work with Python and PostgreSQL on Heroku. Heroku is a cloud platform that makes it easy to deploy and scale applications. PostgreSQL is a powerful, open-source relational database. Combining the two allows you to build and deploy Python applications with a robust database backend. Before you begin, make sure you have the following: Heroku account. Sign up for a Heroku account at Heroku. Heroku CLI. Install the Heroku Command Line Interface, CLI, from here. Python and pip. Make sure you have Python installed on your machine. You'll also need pip, the Python package installer. PostgreSQL Database. Set up a PostgreSQL database. You can either use a local installation or a remote service. For Heroku, you can use the Heroku Postgres add-on. Create a new directory for your project and set up a virtual environment. Activate the virtual environment. Install the required Python packages using pip. Here, Flask is a lightweight web framework, and Page2 is a PostgreSQL adapter for Python. Create a file named app.py and add the following code. Replace your underscore table with the name of the table you want to query. This will add a PostgreSQL database to your Heroku app. Look for the database underscore URL in the output. Replace your database URL with the actual URL obtained in the previous step. Commit your changes and push to Heroku. Your Python app with PostgreSQL is now deployed on Heroku. Open your browser and visit the URL provided by Heroku to see your app in action. You can further enhance your application by adding more routes, templates, and features as needed. ChatGPT. Heroku is a cloud platform that allows developers to deploy and manage applications easily. If you're working with Python and need a database, PostgreSQL is a popular choice known for its reliability and feature-rich capabilities. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of setting up a Python application with a PostgreSQL database on Heroku. Before starting this tutorial, make sure you have the following. Start by creating a new Python project or use an existing one. Navigate to your project directory using the command line. You'll need the Page2 package to connect your Python application to PostgreSQL. Add it to your project's requirements by creating a requirements.txt file. Install the requirements. For local development, you can install PostgreSQL on your machine or use a cloud-based service. Make sure to note down the database credentials. For production, we'll use Heroku's PostgreSQL add-on. Create a new Heroku app. Add the PostgreSQL add-on. Retrieve the database URL. Update your application code to use the PostgreSQL database. Here's a basic example using the Page2 library. Replace your underscore table underscore name with the actual name of the table you want to query. Commit your changes to version control. Deploy to Heroku. Scale your application to run at least one instance. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a Python application with a PostgreSQL database on Heroku. This tutorial provided